This is a little supplementary video because you may or may not have noticed that when we put our walls onto the foundation, they went nice and neatly all around because we had the set down. But if you look at if we zoom in and look at the garage where the floor was already set down, you'll notice that the wall is sitting there. We still have our set down happening there. So that means we need to change this part here, but only in the area of the garage. And what we'll do to do that is come back to our ground floor plan, come in. What we're going to do is actually cut these walls where that set down is, and that's pretty normal in houses because we call that a control joint. And if you have a look at a brick veneer house and walk around the outside of the house, you will notice that there are cuts that run right down through the brick. Well, they're not actually cuts, they've just actually put the bricks and left a gap between one part of the wall and the other. And that's so if there's any movement in the slab or the ground, then instead of the bricks cracking through, it will actually move, it will just get wider or smaller at that point. So that's what we're going to put in here. We'll call those control joints. And I'm going to put one in just across here and one here. So we want to just pick our wall, come up, and we want to use our cut tool, split element. Zoom right in on this one because you want it to line up with this edge here. And just click there, and you see it puts a join in, or cut in, sorry, and we'll come down and we'll put one in right on this edge here. Okay, so we've got our two control joints in there now. If we go back, just escape out of that, go back to looking at we have a cross section running across here and here, so these will be pretty useful for us to make these modifications. So if I come into my section 1, and this is looking at the cut across, we can come in and we can see that this wall is like this. If we click on it, we've got our arrows here now. What I'm going to do is bring that up so that it's level with the other one, or we could, not sure, might better bring that one down. No, it brings it all the way down. So we need to bring that one up now, and now we've got it level. So you bring that one down and the outside wall up level. If we go into our section 2, which is the one going all the way through the house, we should be able to pick up this wall over here. There it is there. Click on that, bring that down to the floor level, bring this one up to the floor level, and now we have that all fixed up. If we go back and have a look, you can see now that that's looking okay. So just a little supplementary to fix that up. You probably did notice that when you were putting your walls in. That's how to fix it up.